Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to learn a new language. To use ChatGPT effectively for learning a new language, you can ask for assistance in several ways. Like example, if I just give them command to, can you give me 5 common phrases in Spanish for daily conversation to learn? If I just give them command to ChatGPT, let's see the answer. So here are 5 common Spanish phrases for daily conversations. So you will see here is the Spanish sentence, and after next you will see hello, ¿cómo estás? Means that in Spanish, how are you? So you will just learn these phrases for very helpful in basic interactions. And if I just, you will just practice conversations. So I will just give them another command. What are the some cultural phrases or idioms commonly used in Italian? So I will just give them command to chat GPT and let's see the answer. So here are some commonly used Italian culture phrases and idioms. So here is the Italian language and into the wolf mouth. So from here you will just use these idioms reflect Italian culture and can make your conversation more lively and authentic. So in this way you can just learn a new language from using ChatGPT. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.